Imagine a world where your home cleans itself, your car drives itself, and dinner cooks while you're still deciding what to watch on Netflix. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, Elon Musk doesn't think so. Meet Tesla Bot Gen 3, the next giant leap in robotics, and the robot that might just redefine what help means in the 21st century. Tesla's third-generation humanoid, known internally as Optimus, is not just another upgrade, it's a full-blown revolution. Scheduled to be officially unveiled this November, the Gen 3 Tesla bot has received 5 massive upgrades that make it faster, smarter, and way more independent than anything we've seen before. Elon Musk isn't holding back either. He claims this version will cook, clean, care for your kids, and maybe even drive your car. Yes, you heard that right. Drive your car. When asked on social media if the robot would ever handle vehicles like a robotaxi, Musk replied with his signature cryptic confidence. And that's when the internet went wild. Because if this is true, we're not just looking at a household helper, we're looking at a walking, learning, autonomous being that could replace dozens of tasks humans do every day. But the most mind-blowing feature of Optimus Gen 3 isn't the hardware, it's the brain. This robot can learn simply by watching you. You don't need to code or pre-program it. Just show it once how to fold a shirt, sweep the floor, or make coffee, and it remembers. It learns from observation, refines through repetition, and executes with precision. Think of it as having an assistant that improves every single day just by living with you. And yes, Tesla actually demonstrated this. In the latest demo, the robot wasn't being remotely controlled, nor was the footage sped up. Every movement, every balance adjustment, even a spontaneous jump to stabilize itself, all came directly from the robot's onboard AI. For the first time, a humanoid moved naturally. Not stiff, not pre-programmed, but alive. It's a direct result of Tesla's end-to-end neural network training, similar to what powers the company's self-driving cars. Essentially, the robot sees the world the same way an autonomous Tesla does, processing visual data in real time, translating it instantly into motor actions. The result? Reaction speeds that feel eerily human. Elon Musk wasn't exaggerating when he said this might become Tesla's most valuable product. He predicts it will one day make up 80% of the company's total worth. More than cars, more than batteries, even more than SpaceX spin-offs. And when you realize what this robot can do, that number doesn't sound far-fetched at all. If you grew up watching The Jetsons, you might remember Rosie, the lovable robotic maid. Well, Optimus is like Rosie, except it's real, it's intelligent, and it's built by the man who put rockets in orbit and EVS in every garage. Now, one of the biggest secrets around Optimus Gen 3 lies in its hands. It might sound small, but in robotics, hands are everything. Tesla even filed lawsuits to protect its designs because those hands are key to giving the robot human-level dexterity. Gen 3's hands are equipped with 22 degrees of freedom, sensors in every finger, and enough strength to handle delicate and heavy tasks alike, whether that is peeling an egg or lifting a box. Each finger can sense pressure, adjust grip, and even respond to touch the same way human skin does. This upgrade alone is game-changing. The robot can fold laundry, chop vegetables, or tuck you into bed without crushing your blanket. Engineers say the new sensory system allows Optimus to perform fine motor tasks without external control. It's learning how to feel. Now combine that with the robot's second superpower, its ability to learn from video. Tesla's engineers are training Optimus the same way we teach self-driving cars. It watches thousands of human movements from different angles and various lighting and scenarios, then replicates them. The robot learns the cause and effect relationship between what it sees and what it does. This means you could literally show your robot a YouTube tutorial, and it could follow along. And here's where things get even crazier. Tesla uses simulation training to prepare Optimus for dangerous or rare situations. This virtual training helps it adapt faster than any human could. The first major test of this was when Tesla taught Optimus how to dance. Yes, dance entirely in simulation. It then reproduced those same movements perfectly in the real world. Elon Musk calls AI advancement a supersonic tsunami, and Optimus is surfing right on that wave. The same AI tech that lets a Tesla car navigate traffic is now powering a humanoid that can navigate your living room. Many laughed when Musk first announced he de-transferred Tesla's self-driving systems into a walking robot. Today, no one's laughing. The AI stack that interprets the environment, the vector-based understanding of space, and even the data labeling algorithms, all of it now fuels Optimus's mind. And if you've seen that viral kung fu clip of the Tesla bot, you know it's not just showmanship. It's a statement. Some think it's Musk poking fun at competitors like China's Unitree, who are already showing off their own battle-ready robots. Others see it as a wink to the Matrix, with Optimus channeling Neo. Either way, it's proof that Tesla's robot can move with flexibility and fluid control no one else has achieved. But will people actually be able to afford this thing? Well, that's the billion-dollar question. Musk has repeatedly said his goal is to price Optimus between $20,000 and $30,000, roughly the cost of a car. Critics, however, claim it might start closer to $60,000 or even higher. But here's the thing. Musk has done this before. Remember when the Cybertruck seemed impossible? Now it's a reality. Tesla's secret weapon is scalability, and that's what could make mass-producing humanoids a reality. The company already manufactures nearly 2 million vehicles a year. Those same gigafactories that stamp out EVs can be adapted for robotic assembly lines. Tesla also builds its own chips, batteries, and circuit boards, which means they control nearly every step of production. This level of vertical integration is unheard of in robotics. Other startups depend on outside suppliers. Tesla doesn't, and then there's the data. Every Tesla car on the road today collects driving and environmental data that trains neural networks. That same data can be used to teach robots how to move, balance, and react to the world. So while other robotics companies are starting from scratch, Tesla's starting with billions of real-world data points. If Musk succeeds, Optimus won't just work in Tesla's own factories, it'll be everywhere. Picture a world where these humanoids handle assembly, deliveries, customer service, or even assist in hospitals and schools. A workforce that doesn't get tired, doesn't need breaks, and never calls in sick. And for your home? Imagine waking up to breakfast already made, your car charged, the house cleaned, and your robot politely asking what's next. It sounds crazy now, but so did reusable rockets once. Optimus also fits perfectly into Tesla's growing ecosystem of automation. Your Powerwall manages your energy, your Tesla charges itself overnight, and your Optimus handles chores, all connected through a single Tesla app. The idea is a self-sustaining, intelligent home, one where energy, mobility, and labor all flow through one network. In fact, you can already see hints of this in Tesla's new Hollywood diner, where an early version of Optimus helps serve customers. The place looks like a futuristic throwback, neon lights, chrome chairs, and a 1950s sci-fi vibe. And while it's not meant to rival McDonald's, it's a living demo of what an automated future could look like. Electric cars charging outside while robots serve burgers inside,